Hi, this is Steve, and what I'm going to show you in this video is the best way to get started with internet marketing. I'm going to show you how, with a $25 opportunity that I've been testing for the last 60 days, I've managed to so far earn the figure that you see on the screen there, $3,264, and you can get started today for just $25. Now, if you've been thinking about getting involved in internet marketing, then this is for you. Or even if you're already in the game and maybe you're struggling to make money, this is also going to interest you, because I'm going to take you through and show you what we've got here as a product that'll cost you just $25 a month. I'm going to show you how we earn 80% commissions when we market this product, and I'll show you how it's possible to earn more than $100,000 per year with this. Now, this is, as I say, going to be part of a series because I'm actually going to do multiple videos on this. This is the introduction one. So when you're ready to get started, you'll be able to click the link down in the description below here and get yourself signed up for just $25. So this is going to be quite a short video. And then the subsequent videos, I'm going to walk you through step by step the things that you need to do to actually get traffic and share with the people that are on the internet that are just like you, looking for ways to make money online. Now, we're going to come back to this income in a moment, but let's move over to the opportunity itself. It's called the All-in-One Digital Business, and it's just $25 a month. Now, if you've seen this before and ignored it, just give me a moment here, because I've ignored this for almost 7 years, and yet I've managed to get started, and in 60 days I've earned over $3,000, and now I'm creating residual passive income that is growing. I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video. And by the way, if you like content like this, would much appreciate it if you'll subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and then you'll get more content like this from me in the feed. Okay, let's just press on here, because I want to just talk a little bit about the money that you can earn here and what this is all about, because it's not just a way to make money. This is a tool that every single person who's trying to make money online absolutely needs. And we've got a community here of like-minded individuals, hundreds, thousands now across the world, and everybody wants to help you make money. It's in our best interest to help each other, and that's what I'm going to do here on this YouTube series. So the idea is to get you in the business. You can get started for $25, get you profitable very, very quickly, and then get you to $100,000 per year or more residual income within 12 months. If that sounds interesting to you, hold on tight. We're also going to give you the skills for life as you follow us in this journey. So there's a lot of information on this page. You'll find the link below. You can read all of it, of course, by clicking that link below. But let's just talk about those three main goals. First, we want to get you into the business, and it's $25 to get started. We earn 80% commissions when you share this with other people. Now, this is not multi-level. It's a single tier affiliate marketing program. So when you share this with another person, you'll earn 80% commission. So as you can appreciate, a $25 product, and it's a product that you absolutely need, share it with one person and all of a sudden you're earning $20 per month. So now you're in the business for $5 per month. Share it with two people and you're now earning $40 a month, and of course you're only paying $25. So you're very quickly in profit with this product and this business opportunity. I've been earning a full-time living on the internet through ups and downs since way back in 1998. So I know a little bit about internet marketing. I've earned millions and millions online, and by far this is the best $25 opportunity there is out there. No fluff here, no hype, just a solid opportunity, and you get my help and the help of everyone else involved here if you decide to get started with us. So we've got everything done for us here. The product's done, the website's done, the sales funnels are done, the emails are pre-written, the product delivery, the customer service, the ads, the ad copy, upgrades and more, all done for you for just $25. And the power of this is that we get 80% commissions on everything that we share with others. So when you refer a person, you'll earn 80% commission for life. So don't forget, if you get started today for $25 and you refer one person, you're now earning $20 per month. So one person is actually worth $240 per year to you. Refer 10 people, and now of course that $20 commission becomes $200 a month for life. Can you refer one person per week? Well, I would suggest that absolutely anybody can do that. And one person a week, well, all of a sudden that's $1,000 per month by the time you get to the end of the 12-month period. And that's just with the $25 opportunity. Now, I did promise I'd bring you back to talk about commissions a little bit. I actually got started with this business back on the 12th of July of 2022 when I earned $40 that day by sharing this with 2 people. Yes, that's how easy this is to share. Now today I'm going to just show you this on my computer clock. Zoom down there. It's actually the 9th of the 9th. So 9th of September today, and I got started on the 12th of July. So let me just bring this back to show you those numbers. So we started on the 12th of July. I want to show you how this has built up so that you can set your expectations realistically. And that's where a lot of people go wrong with internet marketing. They expect too much. They expect to get rich quickly, and it takes time. Give this 12 months and you will be earning substantial income in 12 months time if you put in the work. So now on the page you can see what happened to me in my first week. Referred a few people there, got a few sales. We're looking at the date 12th of July to the 19th, so that's the first week, $124 in the first week. What happened by the time I got to the second week then? $804. Let's move forward to the third week. So we're moving forward now here, and we've got $984. Now coming forward further, and this is the way the impact of residual income works. It builds and it grows over time. This is the key to internet marketing. Let's add another week onto that, $2,084. And another week brings us to $2,704. Another week, we're now at 30th of August, $2,844. And finally, to the 6th of September, $3,004. That's 3 days ago. And if I now show it all time, 3,000. And we'll need to refresh this, I believe, to bring the all-time number up. Let me make sure that this actually does. Bring it up to today's date, which is the 9th, $3,264. So this is the first opener. If you want to get started straight away, that'll be fantastic. There's going to be a series of training that I put together that shows you how to get traffic, how to build this, and how to grow it and create yourself a fantastic long-term passive residual income with this $25 business opportunity. So down in the description below you'll find a link. Click that and get started today, and I'll catch you in the next video.